fertile again. Soon we will remove you from our lands.
China has been generous. That's a good choice. Building the Chinese are built for China. China will grow larger.
Upgrade complete.
Build or have big plans. A very building is complete. We will live in prosperity. Nice location. Construction built to spec. Let's build.
It's quiet out there, General. There must be a lot of tanks rolling towards your base, don't you think?
It will look real nice when it's done. Building is complete. We will live in prosperity. Nice location. We'll tear through their armor. Build orders complete, sir. China has been generous. We'll tear through their armor. It will look real nice when it's done. Building is complete.
Here we come, General. I hope your defenses are up.
China will grow larger. I'm carrying the big gun. We'll tear through their armor. Construction is complete. Enemy tanks out there. We'll tear through their armor. China's rocket soldiers. Construction is complete. We have big plans. That's
Your
a
supply
good choice.
pile looks low. Now nothing can stop us.
Let's build. I build for China. We will live in prosperity. Orders complete, sir. China will grow larger.
Tanks! Build more
build for
tanks!
China.
We are approaching your base, General. Prepare yourself. We've breached your defenses, General. Now your factories will begin to fall.
We'll tear through their build orders complete, sir.
I see you haven't run in fear, General. Soon, you'll wish you had.
Prosperity. I'm carrying the big gun.
My forces are at your door, General.
Let's build. No problem. We'll tear through their armor. We'll tear through their armor. Enemy tanks out there? We'll tear through their armor. Tank hunter here. Let's find the tank.
Congratulations, General. You have been promoted.
Big plans. We'll tear through their armor. We'll tear through their armor.
You have trained too many men, General. They will all be crushed beneath my treads. Another battalion is on its way, General. Please make them feel welcome.
We'll tear through their armor. I'm carrying the big gun. I like the big targets. Through their armor. We'll tear through their armor. We'll tear through their armor here. We'll tear through their armor.
Ah, my tanks are almost in range of your base. They should be over soon. Thank you for inviting us into your base, General.
We'll tear through their armor. 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 Enemy tanks out their armor.
I fear this will end you, General.
Their armor. I like the big targets. We'll tear through their armor. Tank hunter here. Moving rocket launcher. I'm carrying the big gun.
China has been generous. No problem.
We'll tear through their armor. Tank hunter here. We'll tear back down the enemy. We'll tear through their armor.
I
We'll
built
tear
for
through their
China.
armor.
Of course.
We'll tear through their armor.
We have big plans.
Ah, this is the part of the battle I enjoy the most. The part just before I finish off my enemy. Can you feel the thunderous song of approaching armor, General?
We have big plans. That's a good choice, Bill. China will
Supplies.
grow
I need more supplies.
I like the big targets. Attack that one.
Enough. Do not destroy any more of my tanks, General.
We will live in prosperity.
Unit
Bill,
lost.
orders complete, sir. We have big plans. That's a good choice.
Tank hunter here. We'll tear through their armor.
Construction
Moving
built
rocket
to spec.
launcher.
Let's build. Of course.
We'll tear through their
Are you
armor.
protecting your flanks, General? Why don't we have a look?
We'll tear through their armor. We'll tear through their armor. Big gun.
Your defenses fall like toys before my armor.
I'm carrying the big gun. On the hunt.
We will live in prosperity. China will grow larger.
Enemy tanks out there. Tank hunter here.
Construction
Yes,
built to
Back
spec.
down the enemy.
We have big plans.
Unit lost. Congratulations, General. You have been promoted.
Are you impressed with the modifications to my tanks, General?
Building the Chinese Empire. We will live in prosperity. There's not
Building the
enough
Chinese
build
Empire.
space.
All hope is
I'm
gone now,
unable to
General.
build there.
Surrender or die.
Nice location. Let's build.
Build your war factories, General. They still will not produce tanks capable of stopping mine.
Prosperity. Sorry, sir. I can't build there. China will grow larger. We have big plans. Could use a little touch-up.
Armor, crush them.
General, our base is under attack!
Congratulations, General. You have been promoted.
Let's build.
Unit lost.
Construction is complete, generous. That's a good choice.
Soon the field will fill with tanks. My tanks. Your tactics amuse me, General. You're shooting at my planes? Do you think this is the best tactic against me, General?
Subliminal messaging upgrade is complete.
We will live in prosperity.
Super hacker ready for link-up.
I will tell you everything I hear.
You get the location.
China will need a new supply source.
Yes, data.
Super hacker ready for link-up.
All units, attack!
General, our base is under attack!
Big plan.
Ready for
China will
link-up.
grow larger. China has been generous.
I'm carrying the big gun.
Unit lost.
Build
I'm
orders
carrying the
complete,
big
sir.
gun.
I build for China. Looks promising.
General, my forces outnumber yours. It's only a matter of time now.
Where do you want these? Their vehicles are vulnerable. There is much money to be made.
Let's build.
Enjoy the rest, General. Soon the attacks will begin again. Nice base, General. Care to surrender it?
We have big plans.
Unit lost. Unit lost.
We will live in prosperity. It will look real nice when it's done. We have big plans. China has been generous. Construction is complete. We will live in prosperity.
Unit lost.
This spells your doom, General.
Very good plan, General. Let's build.
We're awaiting your assault, General. But I'm beginning to wonder if it will ever
When
come.
it's done. Building is complete.
Enemy tanks out there? Yes, General.
Your inferior strategy has led you to this place, General. You can't win now.
I will tell you everything I hear.
China has been generous. We will live in prosperity.
Unit lost.
We're in your base, General. Your defenses were inadequate.
Enemy tanks out there? Track down the enemy.
Building a Chinese empire. Building a Chinese empire. For China.
Our
Yeah,
war
let
factories
me
are
help.
working hard to make more tanks just for you, General.
We will live in prosperity.
My forces are at your door, General.
Let's build. Nice location. Construction is complete. We will live in prosperity. China will grow larger. Let's build.
Unit lost.
A very good plan, General.
This is tight schedule. More provisions on the way.
We will live in prosperity.
How much longer can you survive such losses, General? Perhaps it is time to consider surrender? The Iron Dragon marches through your puny defenses.
Tune into the enemy. Adjusting frequency. I think I can hear them.
I'm carrying the big gun. Moving rocket launcher.
China has been generous. We will live in prosperity. It will look real nice when it's done.
Unit lost.
I fear this will end you, General.
Nice location.
Our base is being attacked!
Construction is complete. Construction China has been generous. It will look real nice when it's done.
Tanks amass in our base, preparing for the final assault. Will your defenses hold this time?
Construction is complete.
Can you feel the thunderous song of approaching armor, General.
Nice location.
Lost.
Moving now, sir. They cannot destroy China!
Are you protecting your flanks, General? Why don't we have a look? This will be your last chance to prove yourself, General. Soon my tanks will end your pitiful army.
We are the Red Guard. Spin up the gun!
Let's build.
General, our base is under attack!
That's a good choice. China has been generous. Construction is complete.
Chain gun upgrade is complete.
Are you impressed with the modifications to my tanks, General?
We have big plans. It will look real nice when it's done.
We are pretty busy here. We will get more supplies.
We will live in prosperity.
Lost.
Let's build.
Super hacker, ready for link up.
Armor? Crush them.
We have big plans. Here, let me help.
Laptop in hand.
You cannot
We will
believe
live
your
in
luck will hold up much longer, can you, General?
Catch up.
Unit lost.
Let's build. China has been generous. A very good plan, General. Building is complete.
Soon the field will fill with tanks. My tanks.
The People's Army.
We'll get the location. Tune in
into the enemy. Adjusting frequency.
Unit lost.
Tune into the enemy. Do you hear something?
I like the big targets. Yes, General.
They're attacking our base!
Unit
All units, attack! Tanks! Build more tanks!
Super hacker, ready for link up.
Our base is being attacked!
The Chinese Empire. I built for China. We have big plans.
Super hacker, ready for link up.
unit lost.
Enemy tanks are here.
Nice base, General. Care to surrender it?
General, our base is under attack!
Super hacker, ready for link up.
China has been generous. Building the Chinese Empire.
Super hacker, ready for link up.
I build for China. Nice location. We have big plans.
Where do you want these? Keep the money flowing.
Another battalion is on its way, General. Please make them feel welcome.
No problem.
This spells your doom, General.
Let's build. Could use a little touch-up.
Unit lost.
Batteries charged. Uplink cables
Unit
ready.
lost.
Their vehicles are vulnerable.
This is the part of the battle I enjoy the most. The part just before I finish off my enemy. We're in your base, General. Your defenses were
You
inadequate.
get their location.
Unit lost.
Of course. We have big plans.
Our base is being attacked! Yes, moving now, sir.
Adjusting frequency.
I build for China. A very good plan, General.
Tune into the enemy.
Building is complete.
My forces are at your door, General.
I think I can hear them.
Tanks, move faster before our opponent considers an actual attack.
That's a good choice.
Tune into the enemy. I think I can hear them. Tune into the enemy. I think I can hear them.
Build orders complete, sir.
I'm carrying the big gun.
We'll get their location.
Enemy tanks out there?
China has been generous. We will live in prosperity.
The Iron Dragon marches through your puny defenses.
Unit lost.
I will tell you everything I hear.
Unit lost.
We will live in prosperity. China has been generous. China will...
I am going to take this time to construct more defenses. No, wait.
We'll get their location.
I'll build more tanks instead.
I'm carrying the big gun. Moving rocket launcher.
Construction is complete.
Adjusting frequency. Do you hear something? This supply source is
We will
depleted.
live in prosperity.
Unit lost.
I fear this will end you, General.
I like the big targets.
Building the Chinese Empire. Building the Chinese Empire. China has been generous. A very good plan, General. I build for China. Nice location.
I'm carrying the big gun. Yes, General. Enemy tanks out
Construction
there
is
on
complete.
the hunt.
Let's build.
Can you feel the thunderous song of approaching armor, General?
I build for China. China will grow larger. Building is complete. Build orders complete, sir. China has been I know just what it is.
I like the big target.
Your tactics amuse me, General.
I build for China. A very good plan, General.
Our miniguns will destroy the enemy. Give defenders of peace. Understood.
Are you protecting your flanks, General?
Building
Why don't we have a look?
Rockets on the hunt.
We have big plans. That's a good choice.
Enjoy the rest, General.
Construction is
Soon the attacks will begin again.
Build for China. It will look real nice when it's done.
We'll get their location.
Enemy tanks out there. Track down the enemy.
Tune in to the enemy. Adjusting frequency.
Unit lost.
Construction built to spec.
I can cripple their facilities.
Let's build.
I will tell you everything I hear.
Are you
Here,
impressed
let
with
me
the
help.
modifications to my tanks, General?
We'll get their location.
I like the big targets.
We're awaiting your assault, General, but I'm beginning to wonder if it will ever come.
I will tell you everything I hear. Adjusting frequency.
Tank hunter here. Let's find the tank.
We'll get their location. Do you hear something? Yes, better.
I built for China. I know just what it means.
I will tell you everything I hear. I think I can hear them.
I'm carrying the big gun. Yes, General.
We have big plans.
Armor? Crush them.
That's a good choice.
We'll get their location. Relocating everything I hear. Hear them.
Our war factories are working hard to make more tanks just for you, General.
China has been generous. Construction built to spec. China will grow larger. We will live in prosperity. Looks promising. Construction is complete.
Soon the field will fill with tanks. My tanks.
I will tell you everything I hear.
Unit lost.
Let's build.
Adjusting frequency. I will tell you everything.
How much longer can you survive such losses, General? Perhaps it is time to consider surrender?
Tune in to the enemy.
Unit lost.
Hey, let's go with the chap it is.
Tank hunter here. Track down the enemy.
The People's Army, right away.
All units, attack!
We have big plans. I build for China. We will live in prosperity. Here, let me help.
Nice base, General.
Our base is under
Care to
attack.
surrender it?
Unit lost.
Criticism will show in
Tanks amassing our base, preparing for the final assault. Will your defenses hold this time? Hmm?
China has been generous. Could use a little touch-up.
I will tell you everything I hear. I will tell you everything I hear.
Let's build. It will look real nice when it's done.
Unit lost.
Tune into the enemy.
I'm carrying the
This
big gun.
spells
Yes,
your
General.
doom, General.
I will tell you everything I hear.
Build orders
Back down the
complete,
enemy.
sir. We have big plans. No problem.
Adjusting frequency. Moving operations. I think I can hear them.
Enemy tanks out there? Yes, General.
Let's build. I know just what it needs.
defenders of peace immediately.
This will be your last chance to prove yourself, General. Soon my tanks will
Tune
end
into
your
the enemy.
pitiful army.
Adjusting frequency.
Super hacker, ready for link up.
We're in your base, General.
We'll get
Your
the
defenses
location.
were inadequate.
Yes, better.
China has been generous. We will live in prosperity. Of course.
Super hacker, ready for link up.
Sorry, sir. I can't build there.
Super hacker, ready for link up.
Let's build.
Lost.
Construction built very good plan, General. I build for China.
Super hacker, ready for link up.
Here, let me help.
My forces are at your door, General.
We will live in prosperity. I know just what it needs.
Ready for link up.
Construction built to spec.
You cannot believe you're not going to hold up much longer, can you, General?
Batteries charged. I can cripple their facilities.
The People's Army. Yes, sir. Understood.
Super hacker, ready for link up.
Let's build.
The Iron Dragon marches through your puny defenses.
Ready for link up.
Unit lost.
Batteries charged. I will be there soon. Super hacker.
Their vehicles
ready
are
for link
vulnerable.
up. batteries charged. The vehicles are vulnerable. I'll suck the internet dry.
Upgrade complete.
Super hacker ready for link.
We will live in prosperity. Here, let me help.
There's always a way in. Super hacker ready for
I
link.
fear this will end you, General.
I built for China. Gotcha.
It's quiet out there, General. There must be a lot of tanks rolling towards your base, don't you think?
I'll shut off their vehicles.
Building the Chinese Empire.
Tune into the enemy.
Building the Chinese
Can you feel the thunderous song of approaching armor, General? Tanks! Build more tanks!
I will tell you everything. I will tell you everything I hear.
Upgrade complete.
I will tell you everything I hear.
Are you protecting your flanks, General? Why don't we have a look?
I will tell you everything I hear.
We have big plans. Nice location. That's a good choice.
We'll get the location.
Another battalion is on its
Adjusting
way, General.
frequency.
Please make them feel welcome.
Into the enemy. Relocating.
Are you
Adjusting
impressed with the
frequency.
modifications to my tanks,
Orders
General?
complete, sir.
I'm carrying the big
Moving
gun.
rocket launcher. Construction is complete. I built for China. A very good plan, General. We have big plans. If we look real nice when it's done, we will live in prosperity. We have big plans.
Unit lost.
Construction built to spec. I built for China. China will grow larger. China has big generals. Building is complete. Building is complete. Spot. Try another.
Armor?
Building
Crush
is
them.
complete. A very good plan,
Adjusting
General.
frequency. Hey, let's go with the chat. Tune in to the enemy.
It will look real nice when it's big plans. China will grow larger.
Ah, this is the part of the battle I enjoy the most. The part just before I finish off my enemy.
Building is complete. Build space. Construction is complete. It will look real nice when it's done. We have big plans. Nice location.
We'll get the location.
Build orders construction sir. To spec.
Adjusting frequency. Tune in to the enemy. Yes, better.
Construction is complete.
Soon the field will fill with tanks. My tanks.
That's a good choice for China. China will grow larger.
We'll get the location. We'll get the location. Tune in to the enemy.
Enemy tanks out there. Let's fight the tanks.
Move faster before our opponent considers an actual attack.
General, our base is under attack.